A lost tomato, hurling through space all alone for 8 months, has finally been found by astronauts on the International Space Station, ISS. The tiny tomato went missing after a harvest during a space mission in March, news.com has learned. "We found the tomato," NASA astronaut Jasmin Moghbeli said during an event celebrating the 25th anniversary of the ISS on Wednesday, December 6. The celebration was live-streamed by Space.com on YouTube. "Our good friend Frank Rubio, who headed home, has been blamed for quite a while for eating the tomato, but we can exonerate him," she said. Crews harvested the 1-inch wide red robin dwarf tomato on March 29 of this year, according to Space.com. The harvest was part of NASA's VEG-05 experiment, designed to establish a system that supplies astronauts with fresh, healthy food during their time aboard the ISS. Rubio worked on investigating water-based and air-based techniques for carrying out the full life cycle of tomatoes rather than using soil, NASA said. The astronauts were given samples of the tomatoes after the harvest, but Rubio's bag share floated away before he could take a bite, according to Space.com. "I spent so many hours looking for that thing," Rubio joked during another live stream by Space.com in September. "I'm sure the desiccated tomato will show up at some point and vindicate me, years in the future." The research of VEG-05 introduced dwarf tomatoes to the ISS, and focused on microbial food safety, nutritional value, and even flavor preferences by crew members. A healthy, nutritious diet is essential for long-duration exploration missions, which means that the typical pre-packaged astronaut diet may need to be supplemented by fresh foods during flight, NASA's website states. The tomato was not the first item lost by astronauts on the ISS. Last month, news.com reported a tool bag was dropped during repairs to the station. Crews determined it was not a hazard, nor was it worth the effort to retrieve the bag, so the item remains in the Earth's atmosphere. The satchel-like bag, which has a reflective surface, can be seen orbiting the planet with a telescope or high-powered binoculars.